Guys, check this out. We know the streamer experience. I played it, but there are two more experience. It's the sleepover experience and the airplane experience. I don't wanna try. Let's play airplane experience. Let's see if it's good or. But I don't know. I don't know about this because I like airplanes. Subscribe if you like airplanes, or like if you like airplanes. But I'm a kid. I'm a kid. I'm a kid going. I'm a kid. I'm a kid going to an airplane. Hey, do you wanna play? What's the sound coming? Gonna check it soon. I'm gonna come back. Where do I get? Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hey, get out. I guess I'll go through. Hey, yo. I don't wanna play alone, so guess I gotta do it. I just wanna go to that guy's. He was cool. And some more guys are coming. Yeah, let's go. But there are only two. Ah, let's leave. Wait, somebody's at the door. I'm gonna check it. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. What to do? Do I need to give order to these guys? Where are they? Oh, they are working there. Okay. Okay. I'm a kid working at an airplane. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, cake. I'm not alone, right? There's a car. Hmm. Hey, who wants salad? Who wants salad? This. Can't I just move the cart? Who wants sandwich? You want salad? These two. You want salad? Okay. I know. Give me two. Okay. Uh. Look at her. Hey, yo. Like, side up. Side up. Take a screenshot for the thumbnail. Oh, yeah. Hey, why aren't she gave it? Who wants tea now? Guess I'll hold it. Hey, side up. I'm gonna give the cake. I'm also gonna give the cake. Somebody give him the salad. Hey, she's gonna give her salad. The plane did the plane take off? I don't know. Hey, Mister, can I just see the yeah plane? Where is she? Yeah, she's still online. Is she even gonna get it? Oh, we did it, right? Hey, side up, side up. I'm recording right. Okay, now look at. Stop throwing trash, okay? This is to eat, not to throw, Mister. Okay, pretty normal. Now what do we do? I'm going to the cockpit. There's a bag. I'm gonna. Now what do we do? Guess I'll sit. Hey. Okay, time to take out. I don't understand. Yeah. What is she doing? She went online. I knew it. She left. At Lower, there's one problem. That is, everybody leaves. Like, why do, like, we're, nah, just leave it. But still, I need to do it because I don't want to play alone. But I'm now alone. Okay. Let's do this bad boy. Just close it. Hey. Hey, Mr. Witch. Got 2 more bags to go. What's that green stuff? Oh, that just... Oh, there's a... I also need to clean up the trash. Where do I put this? Guess I'll hold it. But there's 6 trash I need to clean. Oh yeah. I cleaned it up. Ah, such a liar. Why can't I clean it? Where do I throw it? Yes sir, can I throw it on you? This is your Why can't I just... I cannot grab... I can't grab them. Why can't I grab them? I think it's full. Where do I throw it? Okay. I can't pick it up. Pick it up already. Can I please pick it up? I cannot pick it up. What are these games? Look, I can see the outside. Look. No. I cannot clean it up. What's that? What's that there? Huh? Oh. Oh. I need to do that. I'll see you never. Let's grab everything. I'm gonna come from there. What do these people eat? La la la. Get out. La 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 la. Let's grab this. The last trash that is there. What's that? A teddy bear. It's the doll. It's the doll. I remember at the gaming experience, there was a doll like this. Everybody just wants magazines. Where will I get magazines? Oh, you guys want magazines? Magazines? Yeah. Oh, this might be cooked. Oh, I mean this might be like this is fast. This is fast. Yeah. Can I grab two? Then it will look amazing. Oh, I cannot. Okay. Can't I grab 2 or 3 at a time? Oh yeah, I'm also carrying a suitcase. You want magazine? Yeah, do you want 2 more left? Wait, how much more left to go? I need to give someone there. Oh, that means 3 more left to go. 3 more? Huh? Only 3 more. Okay. Yeah, 3 more left to go. Oh, 2 more. The last one. I gave you all magazines to read it. Gave the magazines for nothing. Now what? Clean the toilet! No way! Oh, I don't want to clean the toilet. Let's do it just. Ew. What kind of toilet it is? It doesn't even have water. Get out. Ew, that was stinky. Ew. Hey, can I touch you? 2 more. Now the passenger's toilet. Did it. Now get out. Yes, I cleaned it. Bring orders. Ah! DK, why did I make it? Okay. What I'm okay. T K K. Oh, I think everybody just wants the same order. 2 T's. 1. Let's give one. Why the heck isn't the T for language? Fall. 1 more T. Two cakes and a salad. Why can't I just grab the cart and like what are they there? Cake, I'm gonna eat it. It's not falling, look. There's no physics. Where are the physics? A salad, cake, tea, salad. Okay. Salad, cake, tea, salad. I gotta take salad. Fall, please. Why do I need to make it fall? Yeah. Sorry for it. Hey, you robot man. Cake, tea. 3 more left to go. Yeah, what do you need? Cake. First cake. I'm carrying a suitcase. Cake, tea, salad. Tea and salad. Tea and salad. Tea and salad. Fall, you're liquid. Now what? Bacon. Bacon. I'm jumping. You're, you're forever stuck in this nightmare. There are lots of random endings. Now I'm in different game. So this was the airplane story. Okay. Okay. What's that sound? Hey yo! Somebody farted in my room. Did you fart? Oh no. Huh? So then get out of my room. Yeah. Okay. Sorry guys, that was just my brother. Just leave it. Bye.